In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim your website in Pinterest Business Hub using Wix. To get started, open Google Chrome and sign in to your Pinterest Business Hub account. Once you're inside, go to your settings area and look for the section called Claimed Accounts. In that section, you'll see an option for websites. Click the claim button next to websites, and Pinterest will generate an HTML meta tag for you. Go ahead and copy that full meta tag exactly as it appears. This tag is what Pinterest uses to verify that you own and control your website, so it's important to copy the entire line without changing anything. After that, open a separate browser tab so you can keep Pinterest available in the first one. In the new tab, access your Wix dashboard and sign into your website account. Once you're in the dashboard, look through the configuration categories and select settings. From there, find and open custom code. This area in Wix is where you can add verification code and other site-wide snippets without needing to manually edit your website pages. That makes it a convenient place for platform verification tags like the one Pinterest provides. When you're in the custom code section, you'll be ready to place the tag you copied from Pinterest into your Wix site settings. As you go through this process, it helps to move carefully and make sure you're working on the correct website if you manage more than one. A small mistake like copying only part of the tag or opening the wrong site dashboard can cause verification to fail, so take a moment to double check before continuing. It's also a good idea to keep both tabs open while you work. That way, if you need to recopy the meta tag from Pinterest, you can do it quickly without navigating back through the account menus. Keeping everything visible makes the process smoother and helps avoid missing any characters from the code. Once you've reached the custom code section in Wix with the Pinterest meta tag copied and ready, you'll be set up for the next part of the website claim process. This step is all about getting the verification code from Pinterest and locating the right place inside Wix to use it properly. That's it for this part of the setup. Follow along carefully and you'll have everything prepared correctly for claiming your website through Pinterest.